So hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. And today I want to tell you about tone, about different kind of value inside your painting. So when you start paint, you need to understand that something is much more intensive and something is more light. Gray paint painting called grisaille. The grisaille technique for beginners is one of opportunity to feel the tonally shades within the same color, to see not just one shade red or blue, but that rich variety of tones that helps a professional artist to create volume and to become more realistic. Now you could see that these colors will be perfect to the grisaille. I choose for my painting Payne's gray color from Schminke, but you can choose any gray color or black color or very dark sepia color or dark brown color, so this painting could be monochrome. I want to remind you that you could find photo references and drawing part on my Patreon, link in description. First you need to work on the base layer. I work first wet on wet, and I love work petal by petal, and I try to get as closer to the right tone as possible, that this image will be saturated and contrast. This exercise will help you to find the darkest tone and the lightest. I made 7 tones, and it's perfect to understand better what is it dark and what is it light on your image. So you also can create your photo on black and white colors and try to check where you need to be light and where you need to be dark. So now I could check not only the image with this exercise, but my image, this exercise, and my painting. It's very helpful. The art of monochrome image across in the ancient time was developed in the antique, in the medieval age, in particular when they painted altar. It could create the illusion of stone statues in niche. In this way, the closed altar visually interacted with the sculptural decoration of the interior of the temple. Hello friends, welcome to my Patreon channel, and I'm very happy to tell you about my new competition there. You need to follow my Patreon and paint one of my masterclasses from April to the end of the August. So this is for amazing prizes: Schminke set with the super granulation paints, Daniel Smith set, and 2 kits of my brushes, collaboration with the Tintoretta. I'm very excited and waiting for your results. Welcome to my Patreon channel. Learning art and creating beautiful masterpieces is a wonderful journey. Detailing is like a meditation for me. It could take some time, so you need to learn to enjoy the process, not only chase the result. After that, I remove my masking fluid and detail the stamens. So now my middle part will pop, and my peony will be much more beautiful and much more visible now. I hope you enjoyed this video. Also on my Patreon you could find this full masterclass on the level Art Life Plus video. Also on this video you could find more than 20 masterclasses, a lot of articles, and my material list. You will also find the continuation of this video, how to create a rich black background. Thank you and enjoy the watercolor.